मिशन चढ़ती कला। और मैं भारत के हर नागरिक को, उद्योगपति को, चैरिटेबल ट्रस्टों को, कलाकारों को, पूरी दुनिया में बसते पंजाबियों को, बहन भाइयों को दिल से अपील करता हूँ, आओ पंजाब को दोबारा अपने पाँव पे खड़े करने का टाइम आ गया है। पुनर्वास में और रिस्ट्रक्चर में पंजाब का साथ दीजिए। मैं वचन देता हूँ, जो भी आप मेहनत की कमाई से 1 रुपया भी अगर निकालोगे तो 1.25 रुपया बना के हम पारदर्शिता और ईमानदारी से इस्तेमाल करेंगे। और जानकारी चाहिए तो rangla.punjab.gov.in ये वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं, सब कुछ डिटेल मिल जाएगा। आओ मिलकर हाथ से हाथ जोड़ के एक ऐसा पुण्य उसमें योगदान डालें और बता दें दुनिया को कि पंजाब किसी भी संकट के सामने हारता नहीं।
Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera and I'm Shefali. The Allahabad High Court is set to deliver its verdict today on a petition filed by Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, who is challenging a Varanasi court's order against him over remarks he made about the Sikh community during a visit to the United States last year. The judgment is scheduled for 2 p.m. on today.
Who's your name? Balinder Singh. Balinder Singh. The fight is about whether he, as a Sikh, is going to be allowed to wear his turban in India. Or he, as a Sikh, is going to be allowed to wear a kada in India. Or he, as a Sikh, is going to be able to go to a Gurdwara. That's what the fight is about. And not just for him. For all religions. Fight is also about, I can see here in the crowd, people from Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana. I can see all these people. Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Right? So now, see, when I say Kerala, see, I've been a member of Parliament for Kerala. So when I say Kerala, first Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh now.
The case has been closely watched as the High Court has reserved its decision after hearing arguments from both parties on September 3. In the meantime, the High Court has directed the Varanasi court to refrain from proceeding further in the matter until it pronounces its judgment. The controversy stems from a complaint filed by one Nageshwar Mishra, who approached a magistrate's court in Varanasi seeking registration of an FIR against Gandhi. Mishra alleged that during his September 2024 visit to the US, Gandhi made a statement questioning whether Sikhs in India feel safe wearing turban or visiting Gurdwaras, where Mishra claimed was inflammatory and capable of disturbing communal harmony. Initially, the magistrate's court has dismissed the plea, noting that the alleged offence took place outside India and that sanction from the central government would be required before any proceedings would be initiated. However, Mishra challenging his dismissal before the Sessions Court, which overturned the magistrate's order and directed the lower court to reconsider the matter. The Sessions Court ruled out the magistrate had erred in rejecting the plea solely on the basis of the absence of central sanction. Following this, Rahul Gandhi approached the Allahabad High Court. His legal counsel argued that Gandhi's statement has been taken out of context and did not amount to incitement. They emphasized that Gandhi had not urged the Sikh community to rebel or engage in any unlawful activities. One cannot pick a single sentence from an entire speech to draw such a conclusion. The speech as a whole must be considered to understand the intent, the counsel stated. Conversely, the counsel representing the Uttar Pradesh government argued that as the leader of opposition, Gandhi holds a position of responsibility and his statements carry significant weight both domestically and internationally. When he speaks on foreign soil, it is projected as the collective voice of the opposition. His remarks were proactive and divisive, the state's counsel submitted. The remark in question reportedly referred to the atmosphere for Sikhs in India, suggesting that they face challenges in practicing their faith openly. After hearing arguments from both sides, the Allahabad High Court reserved its judgment, which is now expected today. The outcome of this case could have broader political implications, given Gandhi's position as a national opposition leader and the sensitivity surrounding remarks on minority communities. That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to The Savera, download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.